Hi everyone, Mongai Kehara here. Welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in this beautiful estate that is in Kitengela, Yukos. Everything you can see behind me is the phase 1 of a bigger estate, and this phase 1 consists of 12 units, while the bigger estate will contain 56 units. The estate will contain 3 and 4 flat-roofed villas, each with a print area of 285 square meters for the 4-bedroom houses and 235 square meters for the 3-bedroom houses. The price of the 4 bedrooms will start from 13.5 million and the price of the 3 bedrooms will start from 12 million. Each home has been built on a 40 by 80 lot like this one, and each house comes with a 2-car parking and a front yard. Each home in this estate is separated from the neighbors by a gauze wire and a live fence. And at the entrance of each home, you are welcomed by this beautiful entrance porch, and this is the main door. From the entrance, on my right hand side, you have the living room of this home. On my far front, you have this hallway that will take you to the guest bedroom and the common washroom. On my left hand side, you have the stairs that will take you to the upper levels. This is one of the biggest living rooms that we have seen in the 4-bedroom homes that we have showcased. I like it that it comes with very high ceilings and very bright colors. This living room comes with a massive window that will send maximum natural light to this living room, and it gives you a very good environment while you are enjoying your stay in this home. This side of the living room has been set to act as the prime focus of this home, and as you can see, it comes with all the sockets for all your electronics. The architects of this estate have adopted the open plan method, and they have made sure that the living room is conjoined with the dining area. I like it that the dining area also opens to the kitchen. For 13.5 million Kenya shillings, you'll get a massive space for your dining area, an open kitchen that comes with an island. Is that not beautiful? This opening will take you to the guest bedroom, but the guest bedroom can be accessed through the hallway that I'll show you later. This kitchen comes with this space that has been set aside for your refrigerator. The kitchen also comes with some extra spaces for your crockery and your cutlery. This space has been set aside for your cooking stove, and above it you have this space that has been set aside for your heat extractor. On my right hand side you have an island, and I like it that on this side of the island, you have an extra storage. On the other side, you can add 2 or 3 chairs to act as your breakfast table. The kitchen comes with massive storage all over, and I like it that the upper and lower cabinets have been done very well. The kitchen also comes with several drawers for all your utensils. Behind me, you have the sink area of this kitchen, and I like it that it's a double sink and it comes with a tilting faucet. This sink area comes with an extra storage below it, and this space can be used for your washing machine or for your dish washer. This door will take you to the kitchen garden and the laundry area, but before I show you those ones, let's see the pantry. The pantry is of a standard size, very well partitioned and sufficient for all your dry foods. If this space is not enough, you can do an extra partitioning up here or down here. I'll take you to the kitchen garden. The kitchen garden is of a standard size, and it comes pre-prepared for you with some oranges for the family. This estate has been made very secure for you guys, and as you can see, it comes with a perimeter wall and an electric fence. On my left hand side, you have your laundry area, and this space is sufficient for your washer and dryer. This space can also be used as the clotheslines area, and next to me, you have this small home for your gas cylinders. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen garden, we will use this access to see the guest bedroom and the common washroom. The guest bedroom is here, and we will also use this hallway to the common washroom. The common washroom utilizes the area under the stairs, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. From here, I'll show you the guest bedroom, and later I'll use the stairs to show you the upper levels. I like it that the guest bedroom is big for all your guests. And this space is even sufficient to hold more than one guest. This guest bedroom comes with its closet on this side and its bathroom next to it. One of the things that I would like you to note is that the homes in this estate adopt the open closet concept, and that means that you can freely peruse within your clothes without the disturbance of the doors. Tell me in the comment below if it's a concept that you like. I'll show you the bathroom. The bathroom of this bedroom comes with a washroom area on this side and a shower cubicle on the other side. On this washroom area, you have a wash basin and a water closet. Behind me, you have the shower cubicle, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you require and a rain shower. I'll take you to the upper level. From the guest bedroom, we will take the stairs to the upper level. On this level, you have the 3 bedrooms and the study. On my left hand side, you have the 2 kids' bedroom. On my far front, you have the primary bedroom, and I'll show you the first kids' bedroom. The first kids' bedroom is the smallest. It is supposed to be similar to the guest bedroom that I just showed you, but this one, a balcony has been chopped. The balcony is on this side. The closet is just next to me, and on my far front, you have the bathroom. I will show you the balcony first. This bedroom faces the rear side of the home, and it gets the best views of Yukos Acacia locality. I'll take you back. From there, you can see that the closet is exactly similar to the one that I showed you in the guest bedroom. The bathroom is just similar, and it comes with similar amenities that we found in the guest bedroom. I'll take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just opposite to the first one. Come with me. The second bedroom is targeting the bigger kids, and it comes with its balcony on my left hand side and an open closet on my right hand side. This closet is slightly bigger than the ones that we saw, and the bathroom is here. This bathroom comes standardized and with a mirror behind me. On my left hand side, you have the shower cubicle of this bathroom. This balcony is way bigger than all the balconies that we have seen yet, and it gives a very good space and a very good view to the backside of this estate. This balcony will give your bigger children a very good space to rest instead of disturbing everyone else in the home. Let's get back inside. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom is here. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest balcony, the biggest closet, and the biggest bathroom. This closet is sufficient for you and your partner, and as you can see, it comes with all the spaces that you may require for all your clothes and your shoes. At the center of the mini walk-in closet, you have 3 drawers here and a space that could be used as a dresser. Next to me, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. The bathroom is a sufficient space for 2 people, and it comes with its wash basin here, a water closet, and a mirror. The shower cubicle comes with all the necessary fittings that you may require, and also it comes with a big window that will provide you maximum natural light while you're having your shower. I'll show you the balcony. This balcony will give you the best views to the front side of the estate, and on this side it gives you a very good view to the rest of the estate. On the far end you can see the Yukos Kitengela locality. I'll take you back inside. From the primary bedroom, and before we take the stairs to the roof deck, I'll show you the study. The study is the smallest room in this level, and it's sufficient for your kids who are in school. If this room will not be used as a study, it can be sufficient or ample to be used as an office. I'll take you to the upper level. On the upper level, you have the roof deck, an extra water tank, and an external bathroom. The roof deck covers a plinth area of around 110 square meters, and it gives you the best views of the rest of Kitengela area. And this roof deck can be used for your barbecues, your meetings, or all the general activities that you may require to do in such a roof deck. On this other side, the roof deck gives you the best views to the rest of the estate, and this is the outside washroom. That's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would like to see similar homes, kindly comment below. And if you would like to purchase one of these homes, our contacts are in the first comment. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.